What is up everyone, you're watching the Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A42 call problem or incoming call not showing on display problem in Samsung Galaxy A42 or A42 5G. So before starting video, if you're new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix call problem in Samsung Galaxy A42, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.